Vi kan tænke på firkantede dele, men det er ikke tilfældet her. Vi
means we, pronounced
vi,
similar to the v in very, but slightly shorter. It's the first person plural pronoun, used to refer to the speaker and at least one other person.
kan,
Means can, or able to. Pronounced.
kan,
Rhyming with
van,
It's a modal verb indicating ability or possibility.
tænke,
Means to think. Pronounced.
ten-keh,
With a soft
k,
sound. It's an infinitive verb, here conjugated to fit the
we,
subject.
på,
Means on or about. Pronounced.
pav,
Similar to the paw of an animal. It's a preposition indicating the object of thought.
firkantede,
Means square or rectangular. Pronounced.
feer-kan-teh-deh,
The ending
ede,
is a plural adjective ending indicating multiple square things.
dele,
Means parts or pieces. Pronounced.
dele,
Plural form of
del,
It's a noun referring to components or sections.
men,
Means but. Pronounced.
men,
Similar to the English word. It's a conjunction connecting contrasting ideas.
det,
Means it. Pronounced.
det,
Similar to det, without the be. It's a neutral pronoun referring to the situation previously described.
er,
Means is. Pronounced.
er,
Similar to but shorter. It's the third person singular form of the verb.
er være,
To be.
ikke,
Means not. Pronounced.
ikke,
With a soft
k,
sound. It's an adverb negating the following verb.
tilfældet,
Means the case or the situation. Pronounced.
tilfældet,
Literally meaning the happened, indicating a state of affairs.
her,
Means here. Pronounced.
her,
Similar to the English word. It's an adverb indicating location. Putting it together.
vi kan tænke på firkantede dele, men det er ikke tilfældet her.
Means we might think of square parts, but that's not the case here. Or we might consider square parts, but that's not the situation here. It suggests a contrast between an initial assumption, square parts, and the actual reality. If you found this helpful and want way more examples just like this, check out my book, Danish Cramming. Master 4,300 plus words with 1,900 plus sentences for fluency. It's packed with real-life sentences, smart grammar explanations, and vocabulary you'll actually use in Denmark or with native speakers. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for advanced fluency, this book is built to get you results. There's an ebook, paperback, and even a premium hardcover version available. Whatever suits your learning style best. Just click the link in the description below to check it out on Amazon and grab your copy today. Thanks for watching.
Vi ses næste gang.